It's so bizarre that a drink from a very crazy weekend when I was a teenager till this day has impact on me. This Dollar Tree haul is going to do it for you. Let me show you what I picked up for $1.25. That is so worth it. Let's start off, ooh, that was bright. Let's start off with the first bag. I've been looking for these everywhere, so to my junk journalers, I found the restock of the memory card game. Now also, I love memory. Such a fun game to play with, and this may seem really bizarre to say. I actually said on my vlog, heal your inner child, play games, do all the things that you love to do, color. It's actually so incredibly therapeutic. But this is by Classic Games. I actually really like this line at Dollar Tree. I just wish that they would give us our jumbo playing cards once again. I might have to start begging Dollar Tree on Instagram because they do follow me over there. But I got 3 bags because these are a rare sighting. I'll just show you what you get. You get this these big pieces that you can lay down. Great for the kids, because obviously it's made for kids. But you see, you lay it down and then you play your memory on here. So you flip it over on this actual mat, and then they give you different scenes as well, because I think that there's different card games to play. So let me just show you all of the mats. And again, you can deconstruct with this if you want to scrapbook with it, craft with it. And then here's this one, which has a little under the sea mermaid theme. Super darling. I'm definitely in it for these cards, these little memory cards. They are so cute, and I love cards for junk journaling. If you watch all my videos, you're sick of me saying that most likely, but so these are so incredibly adorable. Oops. Next up, I found Crayola chalk. It's called Super Chalk. It's washable side chalk. How many times am I gonna say that? It says it lasts 3 times longer. At first, I actually thought that it was duct tape. And I tried to get every color that I saw because I want to send these to my niece. Wait, there's more. I might have even missed a color. I definitely did not see blue, but I'm sure it's out there. It's got to be out there. But look how gorgeous these are. For $1.25, that's definitely a bargain. I mean, anytime that you're dealing with a big name brand, you know, I mean, I just love that Crayola is constantly at Dollar Tree. Makes me wonder, how are they acquiring it? I don't know, but Super Chalk, that's definitely a brand new drop. Oh, black. I also found it in black. This next item, I have a little story time to tell you. How do I tell this story? How do I tell it? But it's in regards to these. First of all, shook. I mean, runneth to thy Dollar Tree, okay? This is Spa Luxury, another great brand. I love them. They've been at Dollar Tree for a long time. This is their hair mask. Anti-breakage and strength is going to be this hot pink color. It's coming across more red on camera, but it's a fuchsia. This is for chemically damaged hair. It has agave, hibiscus, pineapple, silicone-free, sulfate-free. That's not the story. Then I found the shea butter and coconut. I fear Miss Purple container might be my favorite. Look at that on top. It's for dry, damaged hair. Whereas this one's chemically damaged. This one has shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil. Then we have pink, or if I keep calling green pink, I need a CAT scan. Yeah. This one is a bamboo fiber, restores and thickens for brittle, weak hair. I also need this, girl. I also need her. This one has bamboo fibers, castor oil, and neem oil. Castor oil, very interesting. She's probably the one doing all the work in here because castor oil is the best. Then we have this one, the orange, which is the papaya and coconut oil for curly, thicker hair. Clearly not me. I do have curly hair, but not thick hair. This has papaya extract, coconut oil, and plumeria extract. Now here's the story, because you're probably waiting for it. I'm going to check out at Dollar Tree, and the lady who's checking me out, she's scanning, she goes, well, what is this for? And she reads it. And I said, oh, it's like a hair mask to make your hair smooth and nice. And she was like, oh, my hair's already like that. Pop off, queen. I mean, that's my goal too, except my hair is so brittle and straw-like that if a lighter gets near it, and it's really like reminiscent of a bale of hay in a pumpkin patch. But yes, I am so glad that your hair is already wonderful. I love her. I love her for saying that to me, honestly. Good for you. You know what I mean? You should have seen the look on my face. I said, must be nice. I said, mine isn't. So I need the... Okay. I've got some brand new cleaning products. I found this Home Bright brand right here. I just love the packaging. She's beautiful. This is a lime and calcium remover, and it is a lemon grass scent. It removes tough stains and buildup. It's plant-based as well, dye-free and phthalate-free. So I've never seen this at Dollar Tree. This is a great product, I think, to just have on hand and part of your cleaning supplies if you love cleaning. Then I found this one. The freaking price tag. I'm sorry, but I have to say it. I have to express my displeasure. This is the Natural Scents Carpet and Room Refresher. Now, what's interesting about the packaging on this is that it slightly, not really, probably not at all, reminds me of that luxury detergent, like laundry detergent that I see all women buy. It has like that yellow label and it's gorgeous. And I've always been intrigued to see like what it actually smells like because everyone swears by it. But this kind of reminds me of that packaging a little bit. Maybe not again. But this eliminates deep down odors. It's pet safe and it's has a long lasting freshness. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh, sandalwood and rose. I am definitely smelling rose. I'll tell you that much for sure, which I don't like floral scents, but she's gorge. I'm probably gonna give this to my mom. Then I found this. Okay, this is a luxury carpet freshener. This is the odor eliminator. I love this packaging. I am that girl. I wish I could tell you I was better about this. I'm not. Packaging, it gets me. And that's my own stupidity. Luxury odor eliminator freshens carpets and rugs. This is in the Island Breeze scent. I just love, like, look at this packaging versus this packaging. I love it all. I have shopped at Dollar Tree for so long. It is a thrill to see their progression and to see all the things that come in and the packaging. Then I found this. Could she be any chicer? Black is my favorite color in terms of like everything. This is a multi-surface peppermint sage cleaning wipes. They started off, at least in my area, they started off with like the cleaner, like the spray cleaners and stuff like that. This is the first time I'm seeing the wipes. So 30 wipes in here, but it says do not flush. So keep that in mind. Oh, you know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of the grinder pump situation in Florida. Did I told that story, right? That nightmare of a story with the grinder pump. Memory. Cost me like $5,000. I saw these sitting on the shelf, and when I tell you, these are going to be such a hit this season. I fear they're going to go viral if they haven't already. These are the K-Cups for your Keurig or your K-Cup machine. I don't think Keurig's the only one that does it now. This is the Tootsie Roll Hot Cocoa. You get 3 K-Cups in here. These are going to be so precious for like a coffee station or a basket, a gift basket. And then we have Junior Mints. What? Okay. Are they doing any other flavors? If they are, comment down below, let me know. This is what I found at my Dollar Trees. Really would be curious to know if there's any other flavors out there. Then I picked up this Must Have Beauty line, also a new line that's arrived on the scene. We have Be Pure, Candy Moyo, Must Have Beauty. These are all relatively new. The ones that are like Global Beauty Care, Spa Luxury, April Bath and Shower, Sassy and Chic, those are all oldie but goodies. But this brand is new. These are silicone lip scrubbers. Yes, that's why she's here. Just yes to that. Here's my receipt. I spent $60.25. I have a couple of items that were $1, 50 cents, the cards, and then I have one item in here that was $5. And I'll show you that $5 item now, and that's a pack of Unos. Now, Dollar Tree sells the miniature Unos for $1.25. I've been looking for them, they haven't restocked, but I found the large ones and I'm like, you know what, $5 is very comparable to Walmart, Target, so we got it. Next up, you already know that I have a problem. Then I picked up these adorable Etch a Sketch Doodles. Look at this. And they had other colors for Etch a Sketch. So I got pink and blue, and they had like red and yellow, I think. There were definitely other colors to choose from. I love these, and I love that like those old school toys are still sitting around. You know what I mean? I love to see it. It just makes me so happy. Then Spa Luxury, that brand again, came out with some new masks. That means we have so many brands doing masks now, and I want to see it. I want to see a good competition. Look at Spa Luxury coming out the gate. They are barking up Be Pures, you know, and Global Beauty Care. Because I have to say, of all of them, Global Beauty Care and Be Pure are the best at masks. And then look how cute the foot mask is. It has little stars on it. You know that makes me incredibly thrilled because I love stars. So you get 1 pair in here, so I got those. But then they also did some hand masks. Oh, by the way, this is Vanilla Bean. Candy Apple for the hands. Wait, oh no. It's a hand and, oh, I got bamboozled and wasn't paying attention. That means that there is a hand mask that's Vanilla Bean out there. I didn't even notice that, so keep that in mind. But this is Candy Apple. These are gonna be so cute for a boo basket in case you're gonna do it. Although, just to put this out there, that does not need to be a thing. It does not need to be done. I do them just because I love gift giving. It's my love language, but it's not like some requirement. I don't know who needs to hear that, but there it is. Then there is this Be Pure. I've hauled this, love her. It is a eye mask and lip mask. So the eye mask is, well, aloe. This is aloe and this is watermelon. So there's that. Then I found a new silky lip cream with hydrating hyaluronic acid. Lip cream is what they're calling it by Be Pure. So let's just open it up. There she is. It's pretty dark. That would be really pretty. That is actually Micah's color. That's the color that she wears. She's especially pale. So these darker colors look really good with her complexion. So there's that. And then I found a little novelty style lip glosses. Look at these cereal themed lip glosses. I mean, look at Lucky Charm on the scene. We rarely see Lucky Charm anything. So look how adorable that packaging is in there. And then we have Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And then we have Fruit Loops. I don't know if there's any others out there. I imagine there are. I'm afraid this lip is gonna get like on my, okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, then I found these and I love to see these when they pop up. These are like little lollipop things. And so we've got little Looney Tunes. We've got Bugs Bunny himself. And on here it shows like Space Jam. So we've got Bugs Bunny. I don't know if it says what flavor the lollipop is. And then we have Tweety Bird. And then we have What's Her Face. I don't remember What's Her Face name is, but I think they're like a couple. And then they also had Buzz Lightyear. They had a couple of people from like Spider-Man. And a bunch of other options actually, but I just went with a Looney Tunes theme for mine. All right, then I picked up these. These are gonna be such a great item for my craft room. They are the die cut numbers. Isn't that cool? And they actually like pop out. Can you guys like see them in there? Like, why don't I just like open it so you can actually see it? But, so, let me just kind of try to pop out a 5. I would have to go with the hardest one, a 5. I could have just done like a 1. But look how great that is. What? So as you can see, there is a pattern to this one. It has like the little stripes on it. So I got that. And they come in various sizes too. There are larger numbers in here. And then I got this polka dot orange pattern. So I got 2 of the orange because I really liked the polka dot orange. Then I got this little like sprinkly lime green. And then this, I don't know, little squiggles with the blue. So that's it. Yeah, that's my entire Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. And if any of you, if your hair is just fine, you don't need this, good for you. Good for you. I just realized I forgot to show my cards. So I picked up this Christmas one. I love how vintage it looks. You definitely need to go check this card out in person. There's just something extra to it in person when you can really see that glitter detail, and you can just, yeah, it's so vintage and beautiful. And then I just had to get another one of these. That's it. That's the haul.